Fine. Everything is getting converted into XML file. This is okay. But this XML data now we need to put into concerned file there. So therefore, what we do in this, we take another for loop. Okay. Otherwise, come into this SQL. No, fine. Come into script task in this. Come to script task. So here you have taken CNAME as well as city names. City names, I think, containing data, correct? Is it containing data, city names?
Yes, sir.
Okay, edit script. I think we created one file here. We created one file here, some XML file we created. What you do, comment these 3 lines, Shweta. The stream writer, SW close, try to comment those 3 lines. How do you comment? Even you can use for commenting on the top also, under toolbox, you have commenting. Automatically you can comment it. Can you move mouse pointer over the toolbox? On the top toolbox is there. Above that, just below toolbox I am saying, just below that you have tools. Move towards right side, one by one icon you move towards right side. Yes, further you move towards right side, further. This is basically commenting. You can comment it.
Oh, okay, sir.
You can use Control K and Control C. So with the help of that, a line can be commented. And to uncomment, you can use the cross previous one, next one. Like this, you can be commenting and uncommenting. Yes, you can comment that way. This is called as automatic commenting. So code can be commented with the help of that particular tool. So here, fine. Now what you do, just try to create a string reader class. String reader object you make. Right there. Come to sw.close. After that, right there, string reader. Right here, SR equal to
Space, sir?
SR. No, space is required, correct. Space SR. This equal to new string reader. Give a space.
Okay,
you should give because you are creating an object here. New string reader. Start the bracket.
Yes, sir.
You need to specify the string. What string you specify there? The DTS variables user city names dot value dot to string. You copy that and paste. Copy and paste.
Okay.
In the message box, whatever you have inside the message box, copy and paste that. Yes, that one.
Till the semicolon, sir?
No, semicolon. Copy that. Till semicolon, you copy and paste. Line completes there. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's fine. Completed. Press enter key. Okay. Next thing, what you do here, write data set. Capital S data set. Give a space. DS equal to new data set. Small ds put, yes. New data set. Start and close bracket. Put semicolon there. Okay. Here now press enter key. Then write ds.readxml. ds.readxml. Read XML. Yes. Start the bracket. You can take the SR. Take SR. Close the bracket. Put semicolon. Semicolon you put. Now here write press enter key. SR.close. SR.close. Okay. Close it. No. This is a method. Always method requires. Yes. Like that. Press enter key. Now you created here read XML. Just try to see how many tables are available in this. Put a message box. Message box dot show message box.
Sorry, sir.
Message box dot show.
Read XML.
No. Read XML over that is. You completed that, I think. Did not you complete that? That is over.
Yeah, read
Okay, that's
XML
completed.
SR close.
Yes. After that, right?
Okay.
Message box dot show. Message box dot show. Here in
Yes,
the
sir.
brackets, right? ds dot small ds dot tables
Yes, sir.
dot count. You can take count how many tables are in this. You can find. Go to count. Take count from here. Count dot toString. Dot toString. Start and close bracket. Put one more bracket. Put semicolon. Yes. Now try to run. Save it and try to run. How many tables it shows? Just see.
Okay.
It's failing there. What is the reason? Just see. Web service task itself is failing. I think not getting connected to the service. Service might be giving some problem.
Yes, sir. The web service threw an error during method execution.
Yes.
The error.
So once again run.
Yes, sir.
At that moment probably 0 it is saying. Click on OK. No tables are in that. 0 it says. We don't have any tables in that now. There are no tables. Okay,
So
why tables are not
19
coming?
times.
Close this one here. Just close. Okay. Stop debugging.
Yes, sir. So, sir, we get 0 for 19 times,
Yes.
sir?
Yes. No, come to script task once again. I tell you. Come to the script task.
Okay,
Script task. Open the script task. Edit script.
yes, sir.
So here, scroll down.
Yes, sir.
City names we have taken, but it's not printing any values for the city name there. So here we created string reader. String reader should be reading XML file. So why it is not reading XML file? It's showing you data. Okay, it should be reading string data from that. Just try to print whatever data you have in that. Message box dot show dts dot variables user city names. Try to print. Yes. I mean uncomment that. Uncomment.
Yes, sir.
Once again try to run.
Okay, sir.
Printing data like this. This one is what here? New data set you get. Table we are getting. Okay. Let it run. What data? New data set you are getting in that. Fine.
Yes, sir. But for the city names, it is giving 0 only, sir.
Yes, for everything it's giving 0. Once again, don't without closing message box. Look at the structure how the data is coming. Just a minute. Don't 1 minute. No, don't close.
Now, okay. Okay, sir.
Next
I
time
won't.
look at the structure how the structure is coming there. Here see new data set you have in this, followed by here it is saying here ampersand LT, string is coming something like this, then ampersand GT, this is less than, greater than, new data set. Okay, followed by LTY, it is coming there, less than symbol, greater than you have there, new data set. It is showing something like string in this, format is wrong in this. Okay, do one thing, fine, continue. Okay, you can continue like that.
Okay, sir.
Or else you can dismiss even this one. We can stop debugging. Yes. What you do in this, come to the script task. Okay, edit script. Just try to create one. Go to the namespaces, expand namespaces on the top. This is basically scripting. Scripting is also often required. Go to namespaces.
Yes, sir.
Expand namespace on the top. Namespaces. Okay, here right on the top, using after system.io, after semicolon, press enter key, right? Using system.text. System.text. You can put text, semicolon you put. Now come to the main method. Inside the main method, okay, what you do, city names you have in this. Above string reader, create one string builder object. Above SR, go to the SR there, yes, right there. Here write string builder, type string builder, string builder you write, yes. Give a space, SB equal to SB, not SD, SB equal to new string builder, string builder, yes. In the brackets, the DTS variables user city names value dot to string you put, yes, whatever total value from DTS, yes, up to that you put inside that. Press enter key. Right here, SB dot replace, SB dot replace. You have start the bracket. In double quotes, put less than, you put less than, put string, string. I think capital or small, which S was coming there. 1 minute, you can go to file. In the file data is available. You go to the disk file. Go to the desktop. From there you can find file.
Okay.
So go to desktop. No, not here. I'm talking about the desktop.
Yes,
so here
sir.
File folder, output files or somewhere, XML files or something you're creating. Go to that folder. Open the file. You can find what
XML files.
Okay, open that. Not input. I think you created some other file. In the input files, probably XML file or somewhere you kept it.
No, sir. These are here on this one.
The folder you open. Open the folder first. So inside this, open any file. Yes, Canada. Open with a notepad.
Oh, sorry.
Fine. No, this is also okay. Notepad takes too much time. Reason, it's very slow notepad. On the top, you have a string in the lowercase letters. Take the string there. You have string, no, not that. String here. In the angular brackets, whatever string is there, that one, copy. Is it getting closed in the completely in the end C? Go down and see here in the ending, is it getting closed properly? End of the file.
Yes,
Go
sir.
to end of the file. Yes. Move like the mouse pointer. Sorry, that's it's ending there. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now come to the code. Come to code.
Yes, sir.
No. Here what you do? Just paste it there. Now close the double quotes. Okay. Close the bracket.
Yes, sir.
Close the bracket. Write again dot replace. Otherwise, chaining is again take here. Start the bracket.
Sorry, sir.
Start the
Okay.
bracket. Put double quotes. Same string you need to paste.
Okay, sir.
Here see, but before after the angular bracket less than symbol, put a slash. Not there. No, in the next one. In the next one,
Okay.
yes. After the bracket, after the angular bracket.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
sir.
in the beginning only. In the beginning, before yes, you need to put that. Closing tag. String is starting tag. How do you put closing tag for string? I'm typing the chart window. See, slash string it is. Like they should have there.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Close double quotes. Close the bracket. Put semicolon.
Yes, sir.
Yes, put semicolon. Now click outside here. Is it showing any error?
Yes, sir. Here, for the first one, it's showing error.
Okay. See, replacing you're doing after the first argument. Come to the replace. First argument is specified in the double quotes. Come to sb.replace. sb.replace. See, in the first replace
Yes,
you have
sir.
that's after double quotes. After double quotes. No, in the sb.replace.
Okay.
After double quotes, closing
Yes, sir.
double quotes.
After the double quotes.
Closing double quotes.
Okay.
Second argument, put comma.
Comma,
Okay,
sir.
comma there. After closing, comma you put there, comma. Now put empty double quotes. Double quotes start and close immediately. Start double quotes, close. Same thing with the second one also.
Okay.
Yes. After that, again start and close double quotes. Like this. Now here what you do in the string reader, here DTS variables user you have there. Remove that. Put in that place sb.toString. In the string reader SR you have kept the code you kept there. So inside the DTS variables you have removed that.
Okay.
That data you remove inside that method. DTS
Okay.
variables you have removed the DTS variables. Yes.
Only DTS variables, sir.
The entire up to toString you need to remove.
Okay.
Up to that. Now in that place write sb.toString. sb.toString you need to put. Start and close bracket. Yes. Now try to run this. This time it shows number of tables.
Okay.
At least one table it will show you now. Okay, close it now. What it says here, target invocation. Exception user code. Can you close that? Definitely stop it from running. It already stopped. Stop it from running. It's showing some exception there. Okay. Come to the code. Again come to script task. Open that. Edit script.
Yes, sir.
So here it's showing some kind of error. First message box you comment.
Okay,
At the
sir.
top of the message box, just comment it. Yes, scroll down in this.
Yes, sir.
Little bit in the code you scroll down. Little bit. Okay, this one is new data set. Try to put a name in the data set here. In the data set, try to put new data set in the double quotes you put. Data set ds equal to new data set. Here data set ds equal to inside the double quotes.
Yes, sir.
New data set you type capital N, capital D, capital S. In the double quotes, put new data set, capital N.
Okay.
Capital N you start. It is string. There is continuous string, that is new data set, continuous, no spaces.
Okay, sir.
Data set, capital S, capital S, double quotes close. Now try to read data into SR. This should not give any error.
Okay.
It's giving still error. DTS script task. Scroll down in this. What is the error? Taken like this. Invoke member. Click on OK. Close. Where the error it is showing. Once again, come to script task and see. Okay, edit. Edit script. Keep a breakpoint in this. Edit script. In the beginning of main method, put a break. This one. You put a breakpoint. So here, come to string builder SB. There you try to keep a breakpoint. In the next line, in the next line, go to the beginning of next line. Just click somewhere in the string builder in the beginning of that.
Not here, sir.
No, just above that line in the string builder. There you click there. Go to debug.
Okay.
Click on the debug there. Debug.
Yes, sir.
Don't execute. Here, say what you have in this toggle breakpoint. Click on the toggle breakpoint. Now close it and execute.
Okay.
You have a breakpoint here. You can see how it's going to work for you. You can find errors in this. If any errors are there, you find. You can line by line. You can see from this.
Okay. Sir, you are recording the session, sir?
Yes, recording.
Okay.
Now come to the code block. There is a code block in that. It never ends otherwise. Okay. Now here see other window is getting opened. Go to the other window in the bottom. Yes, click on that. The mouse pointer is here. Just press F10.
Okay, sir.
Press F10. Press F10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now once again press F10.
Okay, sir.
Now what is the value you have in the SBC? Come to SB. Move mouse pointer over SB. SB. Okay. No, just move mouse pointer over SB. It's containing data like this. Okay. SB data is going to be something like this. This is exactly what in this format data is available. Try to expand this by clicking on the plus. Click on the plus. You have a plus there. Yes. Okay. Otherwise, what you do? Right click on the string SB. Just right click on the SB. Right click.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right click there.
Yes, sir.
Here, see what you do. Go to quick watch. Click on the quick watch. Quick watch.
Okay.
Now here, expand the plus. You have SB. Click, expand this. Showing like this. So capacity SB like this you have here. Data is coming in this manner. Encoding. This is country. You have data in this way. Yes. Close this now. You can close this.
Okay.
Yes. Quick watch you can close. Once again, click on the right click on the SD. Once again,
Okay, sir.
right click on the SD. And here, what you do, it can be. So quick watch if you take showing like that. Breakpoint you have taken. Fine. Quick watch you are having in that. Click on the add watch. Okay. Now in the bottom, in the watch one, you have this data. Expand SB. Yes. Okay. Data is something available like this. Now on the value, right click. You have value here. Right click on the value. Right click. Yes. No, no, no. On the value. Right click. Copy the data. Put into notepad. Open one notepad document. Try to put into that. So just move mouse pointer. Maximize the window. Yes, like this you have data. This is causing, I think, problem. Okay. So in the code, what you should do, wherever ampersand GT is available, ampersand LT is available, you need to replace it. Wherever less than greater than you have, you need to replace that. Okay, just close this window now here. Close this window. Stop from debugging. Don't save. Okay, stop from debugging. Yes. Once again, come to the code. Stop it from debugging. Here you have a stop button, see on the top, red color button. Not that. You have a red color button on the top. Click on that. It stops debugging. Now come once again come to the code. Even close this. Once again come to the code. Edit script.
Yes, sir.
So inside this, what you do, once again you have replace here. Come to right now you are replacing string here. After this replace, once again come to right after that line. Once again replace here. Press enter key. Here write sb.replace. Replace. Start the bracket in the double quotes. How it was coming? Some ampersand LG. How it was coming data? You have ampersand symbol. Okay, just show it once. It was showing ampersand, correct. Come there. Come to the code. Yes. Here write ampersand LT LT semicolon. Double quotes close. Comma you put. In the double quotes put less than symbol. Less than symbol. Close it. Close bracket and put a semicolon there. In the same manner, try to do with the GT. LT meaning is what? Less than symbol. GT means greater than symbol.
Okay,
Replace
sir.
it is. Here write double quotes ampersand GT semicolon. Yes. Comma. This is here greater than symbol. Like this. Close it. Remove the breakpoint. You remove there. Yes. Remove that totally. Try to run now. Again application. This time we should not get any error.
But sir, for money conversion, we
Yes,
got
you are
it
getting no one
very
table.
easily, sir.
No, that was only one row. Now you are getting correct. One table you are getting. One table. Click on one. So one. Fine. You are getting like one table data. You could convert data into now proper format. Retrieving data. So you could now get proper data. In some file, I think there are no tables. Okay, completed. You are getting no tables in that. Okay, so if you open the what tables you are getting in this, just a minute. Files are not getting created here. Okay, files are not getting created. What you can do, they can be made as XML files in this. Do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Now open the open the code again.
Okay, sir.
Open the code. Now here in this place, edit script.
Yes, sir.
Edit script. Previously you were saving data into the file. Correct? You were saving data into the file.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that code now you take, the stream writer class you take, this message box you close here. Message box you can close. I mean, you can comment message box in the bottom, whatever message box you have commented.
This one, sir?
Yes, comment it.
Okay.
Comment that one. Yes, now go to the, on the top you have stream writer that you take, stream writer you take 3 lines. The 3 lines you take.
Okay.
No, not that. Stream writer, SW, the 3 lines you take. Don't uncomment, just copy and paste them here. The 3 lines, following lines. Yes.
Okay.
The 3 lines you take. Next line also. Next line.
Where you want me to paste?
At one time only you can copy all the 3 lines.
Okay.
Copy, and after this, here, after this read XML you have there. After read XML SR, you paste it. After that line you paste. But instead of stream writer, this time what you do, whatever file name you have in that, in the place of stream writer, write there ds.write.xml. Write it ds.write.xml. Just ds, small ds.
Yes, sir.
Now we remove the SW. SW equal to new stream writer you have there. Remove up to that.
Oh.
Remove that. In that place, just put SW also remove there. No SW is required.
Okay.
Remove that. Write there. Write XML. ds.write XML.
Yes.
Write XML. No, not XML. Write XML. Once again, delete dot. No, delete dot. IntelliSense can help you. Dot. Put dot now. Write XML. You write.
Only.
Write XML. Write type or write XML. You have there. That's all. That's enough. Now next 2 lines you close. Comment. Those 2 lines you comment. Comment that one. Yes. Next line also you comment. SW.close also you comment. Like this you can be writing into the file. ds.write.xml data can be written now. So save it now and come to, now you can save it as a file. How it is different now, see. When you save the file, this is going to be slightly different. Yes. So like this, lot of corruption takes place when you get data from external sources. You need to clean the data. Every time you may not have tools. Sometimes you should use your own logic to clean the data. Because from multiple sources you get data. It is all retrieving data, ETL operation, extraction, transformational loading. We are extracting data. After that we are transforming into required fashion. Then after that we load into the data warehouse or database tables. It's completed now. Now go to, stop it from running, go to that folder and see how the files are now appearing for you. So take XML file there. Yes. Open here China, how the data is coming, see. Now coming in the well-defined fashion. New data set, table, country China, city Beijing, like this you are getting it. So you get data in this manner now. In a well-defined fashion, data is coming for you now. Close this here. Okay. What you do, now this is fine. Take here, in this case what you do, take another for each loop. Take another for each loop. The output of this particular for each loop should be coming into the second for each loop. Yes, from there. So constraint is what? Success constraint you need to put. This is what exactly success constraint. Fine. Now in this for each loop, you just drag and drop, first of all, DFT, data flow task. Go to data flow task. You have a data flow task on the top. On the top you have, yes, drag and drop inside this. And for this for each loop, you should be getting file names. Just now whatever files you created, try to assign the file name. See, for each loop should be retrieving file names. From where it retrieves file names? So just now you are creating some files in the folder XML files. Try to get those files. Try to assign with the for each loop those files. Yes. Collection is going to be for each file enumerator. Okay. You don't have any expressions. Choose the folder. Which folder it is? Just see. Yes.
It is XML files.
Yes. Open. Click on OK. This is a folder. Variable mapping. You need to take the variable name there. File name. Variable name you try to define here. So new variable you put here, or XML file you put here. Otherwise even you can take XML file. Yes. XML file you take here. Fine. No, don't do anything. That's fine. Click on OK. Now open the data flow task. So inside this now you need to do with the XML file. You have XML file. I think XML source is available. Go to XML source. XML source probably you have here. Yes. Drag and drop XML source. Now open the XML source here. Edit. So XML location is what exactly, where exactly that is? XML file from variable. Take
File
it.
from variable.
Yes. Variable name is, you can take the
XML file.
Okay. You can come to columns. Come to columns here. No, columns. Okay. You come to columns. Since you cannot get any columns, that is okay. Now just cancel this operation here. Click on cancel. Here what you do, go to the variable, right click on the variables. Initially try to assign a XML file where it is. Try to assign some file name from the given XML file folder. So go to Egypt.xml you have here, but full name is required for that. Full path is required for the file name. So go to the folder, from folder try to pick it. So select the file name, yes. Select the file name, properties you take, try to put the file name. The path you take. Okay, click on OK. Now come into this one here, open, here edit. No, not this.
Sorry sir, I need to go to the variables. Yes sir.
Put here, before Egypt.xml put, before that. File name is required for you. Egypt.xml is required at the end. At the end of that, you require Egypt.xml slash, put, other slash, or the path is Egypt.xml. Spelling, is it correct?
Yes sir, Egypt, EGYPT.
Click outside.
Yes sir.
Now the TFT task. So here, now drag and drop XML source. Open now XML source. Specify the from variable you take, variable name you choose from here, XML file. Now here go to the columns.
No sir.
Columns are not coming. Then right here, generate, use inline schema. Go with the inline schema. Now go to the columns. Columns are not getting created here. Schema is not available here. Fine, columns are also not available. Click on the OK here.
Yes, sir.
Once again open XML file here. XML source. Edit. In this now, uncheck the use inline schema. Okay. Browse. You don't have any XSD. Otherwise, do one thing. Cancel. We need to have some kind of mechanism. Instead of using from variable, don't use from variable. Okay. 1 minute. Just cancel this here. Cancel. Cancel. Delete the XML source here. XML source you delete. Delete this. Come to control flow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here delete the for each loop container. Delete it.
Yes, sir.
Now just take one file I show you. You need to find out some way to do all the things. Drag and drop XML source now from this. DFT first of all. Data flow task you take. Take data flow task. Drag and drop here. So from the for loop container you should come there. Go to the for each loop container. You come to data flow task. Okay. Click on the data flow task now 2 times. Here take the XML file. Take one XML file. Okay, take XML file here, put in this. Now click on the XML file, open the XML file,
Yes, sir.
go to the XML file location, correct, its location, fine. Click on the browse. Okay, here in this, try to choose the output files, XML file. Okay, XML files, open XML files, folder you open. Now select Belgium first, select Belgium, click on open. Now go to the columns, what columns you find in this C, click on the columns.
No, sir. For this, I
Okay,
need to do this
you don't have
XSD. It's
any,
not
generate
specified.
XSD, click on the generate XSD, click on that. Okay, Belgium, click on that. Now go to the columns, what it says. Okay, click on OK,
Yes, sir.
click on OK. Now you are getting like this. Now this will be city and country you are getting. Click on OK here. Now from here what you need to do? You need to take here oledb destination. Somewhere you have destinations in the bottom destinations. You have oledb destination. Fine. Now try to configure oledb in this. You have connection
Sir,
managers anything? You have one connection manager, correct?
yes, sir.
Open the oledb destination here.
1 second, sir.
No, first okay, first oledb destination you open. Try to map with the connection string, practice DB, that's fine. Take the table in this. Take the table or fast load, from here choose a table. What table that is going to be?
I think we need to create the table, sir.
TBL city or something we created already. Just go to the database table and see. We created some table.
1 second, sir.
Yes, execute that. You get
Country
that.
name, city.
Take now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now here mappings. Now try to map here. Country should be mapped with a country name. Here see no. Like that you can map. Even like this also you can be mapping. Correct. Click on OK. Now why it is showing error still? Country name, what it says?
TBL city.
Now it was showing some mappings. There is a problem in this. Click on mappings. Country and country name. What is the problem with that?
1 second, sir. Practice.
Country and country name, TBL city, columns, varchar
Yes, sir.
30.
Both are. Yes, sir. Both are same data type.
No, try to increase change. No, try to increase its size. Somewhat bigger you need to make. 30 may not be sufficient. Try to make 100. TBL
Okay,
city,
sir.
right click, then
Design.
design. You can change here the size of the columns.
Sure, sir.
Make that as 100.
Okay.
Here also make 100. And try 1 minute. Try to make envarchar that one, not varchar. Try to make envarchar.
Okay, sir.
Envarchar you make that, not varchar, just envarchar. Yes, envarchar you make. Save it now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this time it will not give much problem. Okay, click on OK now.
Sir, can I check this one, sir? View existing data.
No, view existing. No, click on OK. What it says?
Okay.
Fine,
Yes,
no
sir.
error in that. Just try to run now. It's going to dump at least one data.
Yes, sir. About the Belgium.
Yes. After finishing that only it comes here. Now you need to drop this, then after that you need to run for each loop. Hello, Funny?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think everything is fine with you now. System, is it ready?
Sorry, sir.
Your system is ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are practicing all these?
Yes, sir. Since today I wasn't. I was busy, sir, so I couldn't do.
Okay.
Before that, I was busy. I was okay.
Fine. What about Shravan? Shravan, are you practicing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go to the database table and see here data. Select from TBL city what data you are getting. See. You are getting like this country name followed by city names. Now what you do? Drop all the delete all the data from this table.
Yes, sir.
Delete from TBL city. Yes. Select and execute. Okay. Now come to the code, SSIS code. Now delete this XML source and oledb destination. Delete these two things. Even data flow task also you delete. Total data flow task you delete. Now take for each loop. Take the for each loop. Try to put now using that for each loop container. So output of this one should be with the for each loop. Okay. Go to the variable and map the variable with for each loop. First variable, this should be getting data from the given file. Click on that edit. Okay, so here first of all go to collection. Yes, for each file enumerator. Okay, variable also you need to assign.
Sir, where you want me to assign the variable, sir?
Yes, variable we created already XML file.
Yes, sir.
Then try to
XML.
assign.
Okay, sir.
Yes, XML file. Here see variable mappings. Try to map XML file here. Okay, click on
Yes, sir.
OK. Now
Yes, sir.
inside this, try to put the DFT now, data flow task. Okay. Open the data flow task. Inside this now put XML file, XML source. Take the XML source. Okay. Open it. Edit
File from variable, sir?
file from variable. Variable name you choose. Now generate XSD. Click. No. Generate XSD. Yes. Put save. Now go to the columns. Click on OK. Now here, like this you are getting country, city. Like this you are getting. Click on OK here. Now take the oledb destination. Yes, map from that to this one. Open. Go to the connection now. Table is exactly TDL city. Yes. Mappings. We can map like that. Yes. Click on OK. Error output, you are not mapping anything. Click on OK.
No, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
come to the 1 minute. Come to the control flow. Come to control flow. Yes. Click on that. Try to execute from here now. Completed. Go to the now stop it from running totally. Go to the database, see how many tables are available in, how many rows are available total, see in that.
Okay, sir.
Select, take and try to see. Overall 1393 rows are available here. From different countries, data is inserted now into this.
Yes, sir.
So this is exactly what from weather services we are pulling data. Then after that, what are the steps you followed in this?
Yes, sir.
So first we created execute SQL task. With the help of that, what we do?
Here
Just
we are
explain, Shweta, what you have done
selecting the
exactly. Just explain what are the steps you have done in this. Just tell. This is a mini kind of data extraction and loading into database table. So how you have done?
Yes, sir.
Just explain that.
In the execute SQL task,
Yes.
I took the connection as the connection to my database.
Yes.
And I gave the SQL statement as selecting the country names from the table country.
Why we are taking country name from that?
Because
What
I
is in a
mean,
city?
our intention is to find the if India is a country, sir, we are finding the city names in the India.
Okay.
So
Cities
for
from
that,
India
first
you are
I'm
finding
pulling
out.
the country names. For
Yes.
that, first I'm pulling the country names. From that, I'm retrieving the city names.
Country names you are taking. Then from each and
Yes.
every country, how it is going to find the cities? It is not city exactly, it's airport you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Airport names you are getting. This is we are using here weather information, correct?
Yes, sir. Weather information.
Yes. So you are doing like that. That's fine. Now in this, what is happening exactly? You are retrieving country names. You are retrieving country names, but how you are retrieving each and every country city names in that? After retrieving country names, what you do next step?
Yes, sir. I'm taking the Foreach loop container,
Yes.
and
In the
that I'm
Foreach loop,
taking
what is the enumerator you are using?
ADO enumerator, sir.
Okay, ADO enumerator you are using. So in this,
And I'm using variable as country name.
okay, fine.
And I'm taking one web service
No, this is
task.
not clear. For each loop is not clear. How you are retrieving data from execute SQL task you have here. How you are retrieving data? Just explain clearly, please.
Yes, sir. Here I'm using one variable as a country name, sir.
Yes. On the top, go
So
to collection. In the collection, what you are doing? It is nothing but for each ADO enumerator.
ADO
ADO
enumerator.
object source variable my file cities. What is my file
Yes,
city?
sir.
here? From where you are getting my files?
It is the other variable, sir.
So from
I'll show you,
how
sir.
you are populating that variable?
1 second. Yeah, this is the my file, sir.
Yes.
I'm taking here value as system.object.
Okay, but what data is available in that?
In this, I'll be having all the country names, sir.
Okay, all the country names are available in that. Just open again the for each loop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, edit here. Collection. This is what exactly? Rows in the first table it says. Object source variable is my files. It's containing data. Rows in the first table. It is taking enumeration mode. Rows in the first table. Okay, there can be n tables, but you are taking rows only in the first table.
First table.
Okay. Next, come to variable mappings. Only one table is available in this. So
Yes,
what you are going to map? CNAME you are going to map with what exactly? CNAME is going to be country name. Okay. Once
Yes,
again,
sir.
come to collections. It's containing only one column. Correct? How many columns are in this table, in this particular ADO object source?
One column, sir.
Only one column is available. So variable mappings, what we do? Take their variable mappings. Come to variable mappings. So this is nothing but here CNAME. So into the CNAME, the variable name is going to be coming. We are going to assign to CNAME the variable name, whatever is coming from there. So from the ADO.NET source, it's nothing but object source. In the object, you are having different object names there, like country names are objects. From there, we take data assigned to the CNAME here. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
How we are populating CNAME?
I'm not getting, sir.
No. How you are populating CNAME? Click on OK once again.
Yes,
Click
sir.
on OK. Go to the execute SQL task. What is happening in that C? So here, first of all, what we have written? Direct input, select country name from the country we have written. Okay, then followed by result set, full result set we have written. Then parameter mapping you see. Go to the parameters. Nothing. Go to the result set. This is what my files. Result set is going to go into my files. In the my files, the result will be saved there. Whatever results are coming, where they go into the variable my files. Correct?
So all the country names will be going to this
Into
file.
that variable my files. It's going to be coming into my files variable.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Now from there we are retrieving data. Click on OK. Come to the
Yes, sir.
for each loop. In the for each loop, what is happening here? You take here collection as for each ADO enumerator. Variable mappings, what exactly? ADO enumerator is object source variable. Objects are available here in the my files. From there you retrieve data. One by one you are going to enumerate.
Oh, okay. So from SQL I'm taking to my file, sir.
Yes.
From my files I am giving to C names.
Yes, like this. One by one it's going to give you. Okay, now click on OK. Like this data is coming. So from the C name, how it is going to web service task then? You are getting one country information. The country data
Yes,
now
sir.
we need to retrieve with the help of web services. How we take that?
Yes, sir.
First of all, we require HTTP connection manager.
Yes, sir.
Using HTTP connection manager, we'll be getting connected to that. To where we get connected, we get connected to web service there. So how web service you are using? Just show me in this. Click on cancel here. Show the HTTP connection.
Okay,
This is
sir.
the connection manager. Yes, open it. So in this is the
Yes,
URL you have there, webservices.net/globalweather.asmx !WSDL. This can give you global weather information. So
Yes,
the
sir.
global weather information, you have two different type of data. One is getting cities. Second thing is getting the
Country.
city weather conditions. We are retrieving only cities now in this. We just retrieve city names only here. Correct? We are not retrieving any weather so far. We are just retrieving actually city names.
City.
Click on OK.
Yes, sir.
So this web service task, but where is the country name you are passing? Open the web service task.
Yes, sir. To
Input
input,
parameter.
sir.
So input parameter is what exactly?
C
Country
names.
name, that is string
Yes, sir.
user name. Take like this is a variable. We are taking it as a variable because this requires one parameter. The service name is what? Global weather. Method is what here? Get cities by country. Method name is exactly get cities by country. That requires only one parameter. Country name is required. So country name is going to be coming from the variable C name. From C name we take the variable name. We try to get connected. Next take the output. What is happening with the output C?
I'm taking, city
Yes,
names, sir.
output
One
value we are putting
variable.
into city names. It's coming like
Yes, sir.
XML file, we are putting into city names. Fine, click on OK. So from there, where the control goes, it is coming to script task. Open
Script task.
script task and explain.
Yes, sir. Here I am using the two variables, sir. City
Yes.
names and the country names.
Yes. Okay, edit script task. C name contains city name, country name. City names is containing
Yes, sir.
actually whatever cities are in the given country.
Yes, sir.
So using script task, we are writing here C# code. This is called a C# code. So using C# code, we are doing these operations. First, what we do, we make a string builder object. String builder is a mutable string object. Mutability meaning is the string can be modified. String builder object is a mutable string object that can be modified. The content in the string you can modify. String builder SB equal to new string builder, DTS variables, user : city names, dot value dot toString we have written. So what happens in this? It is retrieving the XML data and putting into string builder. Because string builder is mutable object. Mutability meaning is it can be modified. You can modify the string. So we made here a modifiable string. Next what we do, here we have some data, dirty data is not coming clean. So this cannot be used straight away as a data set. Therefore we replace. Whenever string is coming, we are replacing with the empty. Similarly, whenever you are coming / string, even we are replacing with the empty string. Then after that, you have here less than greater than. HTML encoding is done here. Instead of less than, they put ampersand LT semicolon. This is called as HTML encoding. So HTML encoding, we decoded and we converted into normal tags there. So ampersand LT semicolon, we made it as less than. Ampersand LT semicolon, GT semicolon, we made as greater than symbol. Like this, we converted them. After that, what we do, we make here a string reader. We are converting the string builder data into, it's nothing but string data. We are putting it to string reader. String reader is basically nothing but a string, that is nothing but string only. So the string reader we are reading into data set now. We create data set is nothing but local database table we can say. Within the memory we made some object that's called as data set. So using here ds.readXML we are reading the string into data set. Data set can accept actually XML data. So once you read into file, we are saving it. Once we read into data set, this can be saved as XML file. For that purpose, we write like this: ds.writeXML. We take the variable name. C name is nothing but country name. In the given folder with the country name, we are saving data. Like this file we are saving. Then we close here. This one is closing. Once you close, where we come to the previous window. Come to the editor. Shweta, come to editor.
Yes, sir.
Close this, you can come to editor window.
Oh, okay, sir.
Click on OK. So once you come editor window, like this, how many times it iterates, how many countries are available, that many times it's going to iterate, that many XML files it's going to generate. Once this for loop is getting completed, from here we go to another for loop. We go to another for each loop, and this is following a workflow here. Workflow meaning is what? In a well-defined fashion, it's getting navigated from one task to another task. We are going here with the for each loop. First task, after finishing this, we go into the next task. So what exactly we do in that? In that loop, we retrieve one by one XML file. So from that, we retrieve data and put it to the database. So like this, we are loading data into the ultimately database. This is nothing but a full life cycle of the ETL. Extraction, transformation and loading we have done here. So in this what we do, we take the XML source. Again explain the for each loop for this also, Shweta, how it is happening with for each loop, just explain.
Yes, sir.
With the second for each loop.
In this, yes, sir. In this
For
for each
collection,
taking
for each file enumerator. One by one file you are retrieving from there. Okay. Then what you do? Variable mappings. Go to the variable mappings here. You map the file with the user.xml file. Click on OK.
A variable.
And in this for each loop, what exactly you do? You perform data flow task. So open the data flow task.
Yes,
In
sir.
the data flow task, you have actually two components. One is XML component, other one is going to be oledb. XML, that is what source component. It can read XML file. XML file from variable. Variable name is what here? User XML file. We have Egypt file. So for them, we are generating schema. We use schema. With the help of schema, we do. What columns are available in that? Click on the columns. You have two columns in this. I think click on OK. You have two columns in this. One is country and city. Like this. Click on OK. These we need to map to the table there. Now click on the oledb destination. So we take here table of fast load. This is we are taken table here TBL city. Then go to mappings. Go to mappings there. You are mapping here columns. Country is getting mapped into country name. City is getting mapped to city name in the destination. So like this we are performing here entire ETL operation. Extraction, transformational loading we are doing like this here. For this we have been struggling. Yesterday we struggled a little bit.
Yes, sir.
But it is going to be like that. Then you understand each and everything in detail. You struggle, then when you get everything in the proper way, you understand everything. Otherwise, without effort, if it's working, you never appreciate that. So how much effort is required inside this? Understand. We are using here script component. Script component is basically C# code. We have written C# code. With the help of C# code, we could achieve that. Okay, so this is going to be the for each loop, and we are using in this different types of tasks. Like we are using web service. With the help of web service, we are retrieving city names. Then after that, we have gone to the script component. Using script component, we manage XML files there. Then after that, we are going into the another for each loop. In the another for each loop, we are using DFT, data flow task. In the data flow task, XML source we have taken. Other thing is we have used their oledb destination. With the help of that, we could do it. So this time, the very first for each loop, we enumerated with the ADO enumerator. We were not using any file enumerator for the first one. For the first one, we are using this ADO enumerator. With the help of that, we retrieve data and put it into some object. From object, we will be retrieving data there. Like this, it's going to be working for us. You need to practice a lot on all these things.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we meet tomorrow. Funny and Shravan, if you have any questions, please ask questions. If you have any doubts in this.
No, sir, I'm good.
Sir, instead of oledb destination, can we use SQL Server destination, sir?
You can't use that. SQL Server destination for different purpose you use it. We discuss about DFT. When we go through DFT at the time, we discuss about all those destinations, how we can use.
Okay, sir.
Sirish, are you following this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Tomorrow we meet, same time.
Yes, sir.